How to use multiple touch sensor. Operating light by touch sensor. Lithium battery. Attach positive and negative wire of the battery to the touch sensor input positive and negative. Attach LED strip positive and negative wire to the touch sensor output positive and negative terminal. As you can see, circuit will working okay. Operate motor by touch sensor. Replace the light to the motor. As you can see, circuit will working okay. Operate buzzer by touch sensor. Replace the buzzer to the motor. Today we will learn how to operate a single buzzer by multiple touch sensor. We need 3 touch sensors, 3 diode, 1 buzzer, 1 battery. Do all the connections as per this video. I will provide the circuit diagram of this video at the end.
If you like the video, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel.
Check our circuit. As you can see, the touch sensor is working one by one because the diode has cancelled the unwanted signal of the touch sensor. Next project is AC touch sensor. In this video we use BT136 transistor, touch sensor, 220 ohm resistor, 3.7 volts battery, 1 LED bulb and AC plug. Do all the connections as per this video. I will provide the circuit diagram of this video at the end. As you can see, circuit will working okay. This touch sensor has 3 mode function. Let's check this mode function.